Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to order a free Cash App debit card. Let's walk through the process step by step in real time using an iOS device. First, open the Cash App and go to the home page. On the screen, you'll see the dollar sign. Look to the left for the card icon. Tap on it to access the card section. Once there, you'll see an option that says Get Your Free Card. Tap on it to start the process. If you don't already have a Cash App account, you'll need to create one first. After tapping Get Your Free Card, you'll be prompted to choose a card style. There are free options available in black or white, and there are paid options if you prefer a metal card or other designs. Choose the style that works best for you. Next, you'll have the option to customize your card. You can add a signature, draw something, or even include an emoji on the bottom right corner of the card. This customization screen will turn horizontal for easier use. If you don't want to customize your card, you can skip this step by tapping Order Card. If you decide to customize, you'll see options like removing your dollar cash tag, leaving only an emoji, or adding a personal signature. Once you've finished customizing and everything looks the way you want, click Order Card. The app will then ask you to confirm the shipping address. Check that all the details are correct, as the card will be sent to this address. If everything looks good, click Next. To finalize your request, the app will prompt you to enter your 4-digit Cash App PIN. Once entered, you'll receive a confirmation screen summarizing your order. After reviewing the information, your card will be processed and mailed directly to you. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of ordering a free Cash App debit card. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.